Color correction and color grading are two filmmaking processes that are typically confused with one another. So find out what they are and what the difference is in today's video. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video we're talking all about color correction and color grading and what the difference is. Now, when it comes to making a video, there are several different phases of production that we have to follow in order to create a video. And typically we begin by planning the video, then we film the video, we edit the video, we mess with the sound, and then we color correct and color grade. But color correction and color grading are very often confused with one another. So what's the main difference? Well, color correction is the process of correcting the colors. Obviously, color correction, that's the title, pretty straightforward. But this basically means you want to match the levels, so you want to match the exposure of all of the clips. And then you want to match the color balance of each shot within each different scene. So if for some reason you were shooting in one location and you change your white balance several different times, the process of color correction would mean you would change the white balance of all of the shots to match one another. So everything is going to be aligned up to, let's say, 5500 kelvins. All of the exposure is going to be dialed in so the scene is nice and consistent. And then as soon as we've matched everything, as soon as we've corrected all of the colors, we can move on to color grading, and this is the next step in the color correction and color grading process. Now, color grading is all about style and character. This is where you give your film, this is where you color grade your footage and give your footage a specific color and feel that will match the tone of your film. So if you're shooting a sunny beach video, you're promoting a holiday destination, you're going to want to utilize warmer colors in your color grading to give a nice warm feel to the video. And the same thing goes for a horror video. If you're making a horror film, you use the blue tones or the green tones within your color palette to create a colder, creepier look within your film. So color correction is where we correct the colors, and color grading is where we style the colors to interpret the mood of the film. They're two completely different processes, but the two phrases are always thrown about and interchanged with one another, and this often leaves people feeling confused. So the real difference, color correction is correcting, color grading is style. And that's all you need to remember. So if you enjoyed this video or if you found it useful at all, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, check out the previous video, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. See you there.